Time now for the Executive Edge. And today's theme, tariff commentary from retailers. We're going to start with the Gap right now. Shares are plunging. Earnings and revenue beat estimates, but the company warning that new tariffs could impact its business by $100 to $150 million. That's if they remain in effect. It said that the impact would have been double that figure without mitigation efforts. CEO Richard Dickson spoke about those efforts last night on Mad Money.
We've already mitigated over half of the anticipated impact of tariffs. We've done it through adjustments in sourcing, manufacturing, assortments, and we remain absolutely committed to achieving additional mitigation over time. We diversified our sourcing footprint. I mean, the last time we chatted, Jim, I told you China was less than 10% of our sourcing. Today, I'm telling you it's less than 3%.
With today's decline, shares of Gap are roughly flat now year to date. There was a nice little period where it felt like the Gap was on the move.
It is, at least the stock.
Yep.
I mean, remember Ray Washburn was on the other day. He said, if it's 10%, 15%, 20%, people are going to figure that out. Remember he said that?
Yeah.
I'm not impressed with Hyundai's, I just did the math, 1% price increase. It's a $35,000 car. Hyundai, it's about right for a Hyundai. It's $350. I mean, it's not down 1%, but that's it. That doesn't seem like it's going to strangle the economy, does it?
The 1%, no.
1%. That's what their price hike was that they announced based on tariffs.
Right, but they can hang on to it. So it depends on what the price of some of these vehicles are. That's sort of the problem. And that's a lower end car. A lot of the high end cars, the prices are now so high they can't pass it on to the customer at all. And 1%.
And it depends on where it's coming from and where it's assembled and everything else. But a 1%, I don't know. We're watching Costco as well. The retail's earnings and revenue also above expectations. Comp store sales grew 8% year over year, and e-commerce sales up 16%. Company doesn't provide annual guidance, but the CEO said that they, too, have been working to mitigate the impact of tariffs. They've rerouted goods from countries with higher tariffs to non-U.S. markets, and they said buyers pulled forward some purchases to beat the tariff deadline. So we probably aren't seeing, that's another thing, we're not seeing the full effects yet.
Right. Meantime, shares of Ulta Beauty higher, earnings and comp sales beating estimates. The company raising its full-year guidance. The company's CEO saying many consumers indicate that they are leaning into beauty as a comfort and escape, Joe, from the stress of macro uncertainty. So folks are going to Ulta Beauty and escaping from all the travails.
I think you should spend
tariffs.
more time in makeup. I
makeup.
I'm relaxed in there. Yeah, you just kind of, it's like almost like a facial massage.
Right, so I do it like I'm like an F1 car. I do it like an F1 car going into the thing. Yeah.
As time passes,
yeah,
you'll be more concerned with makeup. Take over. You don't need it now. It's like gilding a lily with you right now.
Thanks.
You're welcome.